number I was looking at, guys. This was the number I was actually just looking at. Look at that number, guys. It's a number that keeps growing every week. We're closing in on 200. I thought 100 was a big number, and it is. And that's the cool thing about stock trading. These numbers do continue to grow. The more you start to make money, it's hooked on a feeling. Filthy trading. All right. So for you guys that haven't been with us for a while now, this is what we do every single Wednesday.
Like, this week we made 8,000. Like, yeah, it's cool. It's great. But like Mike said, you have to appreciate what we went through. It took us a whole year to make 8K.
Yeah.
It took us at one point an entire year to do that. So like it's amazing that you can see the progression and going from making only $100 a trade or $200 a trade to really just slowly increasing and getting bigger and sticking to the plan and letting winners win and cutting losses quickly. It just accumulates over time. And look, boom! In a year and a half, we had 50K. We consolidated a little bit for a half a year and got up to 75K. And then another 25K. But really, the last 10, or I would say a year and like 2 or 3 months, it's been really good. We made over $100,000 really just all 2021 in the first month and a half. It's just getting better and better, and that's the product of hard work and sticking to the craft.
And actually, really quickly before we dive in, I just want to point this out. And I've been pointing this out on weekly Wednesday webinars for years now, or for months now, but for even years now, I've been pointing this out since the Dunkin' Donuts days. One of my favorite stats ever about us, and then we still have this stat, is we've actually lost more trades than we won. Yes, this year we definitely haven't, and last year we have been doing a lot better. But this just shows you that you don't have to win 100% of the time for you to profit. You can actually lose and still profit. And we were able to do that and make $173,000. So let's dive into the week and show you exactly what happened, because this week we actually didn't have a loss.
Really, this has been 5 years in the making. We've been doing this, grinding, fucking putting it in, and like Al said, compounding. And that's really what this is. It's for this week, it's a compounding of all that. What a lot of people didn't see. It's all that grind. And so putting all that together, compounding, is you get a week like this now, which is freaking crazy, what we're about to talk about. So I want to go ahead and let them just freaking jump on this one. But yeah, you got to keep that in mind. And we're here to help you guys throughout that. So, ask away. I see some people already asking questions in Instagram.
Going Thursday, Friday, Tuesday.
Yeah.
So all we're really reviewing Wednesday, yeah. So 4 straight days. We're talking about $8,000 now in 4 days. That's averaging just over $2,000 a day, $2,050 to be exact. So let's dive in to show you exactly what happened. And my favorite part about this was we didn't lose. This one was pretty much a scratch. But other than that, we don't have a loss here. And I think that's why it's getting very exponential. Our group of people that we got are getting very good at finding stuff. It's us as well as the group that we have. So everybody keep up the hard work with that and bringing on the tickers in the chat room. But look at this. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wins and only 4 trading days. So amazing. Almost 2 trades a day and winning on almost every single one of them. Really, really cool stuff right here. So we can't go over every single one. So we're gonna dive into our biggest trade, and then we'll go over 2.